This is the first question. Always try to come to the live class so that I can start the poll for you and you can enjoy the poll. I am not getting answer from anyone. This is the question and it is a highly expected question. From this type of question you can get 10 marks question also, that is comprehension type question. This is a question of software engineering. But from this area I ask you one question, but it can be a 10 marks question. I am not getting reply. Are you marking on the poll? Poll I should get the answer. Your time already started. Try everyone. Okay, so here your answer is option D, but why I am not getting your answer on the poll? I was trying to poll, but why I am not getting answer on the poll? Just let me check one time. Okay, so your answer will be option D. I am trying for the poll, but why I am not getting answer on the poll? I am not getting it. But here your answer will be option A. If A equals to B. Why A equals to B? Because S1 is exit. Here exit is there, right? Whenever you are exit, then means whenever A equals to B, then it will come out from the loop. So A equals to B. For this thing I am executing only S1. Else if C equals to D, means when C equals to D, here it's executing S2, but their exit is not available. Exit not available means what it will be? Ki for C equals to D, we are executing S2 also, and else part will not execute, but S4 will also execute. So for C equals to D, S2 and S4 both will be executed. Else S3. So when S3 will execute? S3 will execute when A not equals to B. Then else part is coming, and C not equals to D. C also not equals to D. Then only S3 will execute, and after that it is exit. This is the situation you have to remember. Okay, what are the situation? When A equals to B, I am executing only S1 because exit is there. When C equals to D and A not equals to B, it is actually A not equals to B and C equals to D, then we are executing S2 and S4 both. So now come to this test cases. In this test case, when A, B, C and D all are equal, actually what will be happen? A equals to B means only S1 will execute, after that exit means it will come. When A, B, C, D all are distinct, means they are not equal. A not equals to B, C not equals to D, then S3 will execute. When A equals to B and C not equals to B, so when A equals to B, then to only I will execute S1 and after that it will come out. When A not equals to B and C equals to D, then we are executing S2 and S4. So S2 will execute and S4 will execute. So then I have to check where S1, S2, S3, S4 all are executing. So for T1 already I am executing S1. For T2 we are executing only S3. So S3. T3 not required because T3 and T1 is doing same work. T3 is also executing S1. T4, T1 is also executing S1. As I already take T1, so that's why T3 is not required. With this T4 I can execute S2, S2 and S4. So that's why T1, T2 and T4, if I am taking these 3 test cases, then all will be done. Another option can be also that I can take T3, T2 and T4. Then also it is possible, but that option is not available in the option. So our correct option will be only option D. I hope it is clear to everyone. I hope this is clear to everyone. Yes. Right. Yes. So now do this one. Yeah, poll is showing, but actually problem is that I have only one device and I need 2 devices. Otherwise, here I can see that 56%. Here you can see the 56% correct answer. So I am doing one thing. Let me try that. You are just let me see. So here I will stop the poll now. 56% was correct. So now I end the poll and this is the answer. I will create another poll and you can answer here. It is little bit difficult for me to handle it, but I hope you will enjoy from the next question. Yes. Again I started the poll and your time starts now. What will be the answer for this? Answer not answer registration. Yeah, in the YouTube you are getting poll, that is only best. So to enjoy the exact poll and live poll option and the leaderboard option, everything is available in our Unified Study app. You have to install Unified Study app. After installing Unified Study app, all the options will be available to you. Here the question it hiding behind me. So read the question properly and answer on the poll. Here you can see this. What will be the answer? Your time already started. Yes, answers are coming. I can see that. Here answer will be option C. Option C is the correct answer. Because why? Because here this 0 is mandatory and this 0 is also mandatory. So it will create 0 or 1, then 0, again 0 or 1, then 0, again 0 or 1, then 0. So these 2 zeros are mandatory, but that does not mean it will be substring 0. Substring 0, 0 means together. I can generate here 1 0 1 0 1 like this type of string also. That's why it is not correct. Set of all string all at most. No, I can create 4 zeros also. That's why it is not correct. Only option C is correct here. Okay. So your time. Next question is. So here I am showing you your result. I can see that here 59% was there of option 3. So I am ending the poll and again I am generating another poll and you will answer for the next question. Okay. Option 1, 2, 3 and 4. Your time starts now. And this is your question. Let me know what will be the answer. Exact leaderboard. These are available in app. For that you have to come to the live session of Unified Study app in paid course. Then you can enjoy more leaderboard poll with the time. Timer will be also there. Here timer is not present. Yes, what will be the answer for this one? Yes, your answer is option C. Option C is the correct answer, because why? The language we are generating, what language we will generate here? From the S1 you are generating here A S1B. So it is like A, then again A S1B, then B. Again it will be A, then A S1B, then BB. So it is just like that. After that I can do epsilon here. So it is A, B, B, B. Number of A, number of B is equal. It is actually A to the power n, B to the power n. This type of language generated here. And it is not possible using finite automata. It is CFL. It is not regular. That's why L1 is not regular. L2 is generating what type of language? AB, then S2 is repeating. So I will do AB, then S2. So from here again AB, then S2. So it will be like AB, AB, AB. So it is like AB plus. It is like AB plus 1 AB, 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 like that it will be generated. So for that I will be able to generate the regular means finite automata. So that's why L2 will be regular, but L1 is not regular. Okay. Now do the next question. What is the answer for this one? I will start the poll. After that I will show you the, here I am ending this poll and I will show you the question also. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Answer on the poll. Your question is this. Do the answer. What will be the answer for this? This question is also a question from where I ask for 2 marks. But it can be a 10 marks question also. Because from this question only they can ask 5 separate questions and you can get a 10 marks question from here. Fourth option you are not able to see. Fourth option it was hiding behind me, but I hide myself. Try to think and answer. A virtual memory has page size of 1 word. There are 8 pages and 4 blocks. The associative memory page table contain the following entries. These entries are given. Now which of the list of virtual address will not cause any fault if referenced by the CPU? Answer on the poll. Don't answer on the chat box, because chat box is always biased. You can copy the answer from others. That's why it's always better to answer on the poll. Yes. Are you able to predict the answer? What will be the answer for this? Sure. First I will end the poll, then I will show you the answer. So your poll is end here. Most of you are giving correct answer, but I am showing you what will be the answer here. I am giving the poll for the next question. After that I will show you the next question and I will explain the answer also. This poll started for the next question. So here answer is option 3. But why the option 3 is the answer? Here it is pages given and block given. What are the pages here? 0, 2, 5, 7 available. In which block? 3, 1, 2 and 0. This is your page table. And now from the question only you have to create the pages. 1K word size. 1K means what? 1024. So each and every page is containing 1024 total number of lines. You can think like that. So 0 to 120, 1023 in 0. Just like that you are going to exam center. In the exam center, if a room, there are each and every room allocations are there. Roll number 0 to roll number 1023 in room number 0. Because each and every room can accommodate 1024 student. Think like that. So if your roll number within this range, then you will be in the room number 0. 1024 to 2047 in room number 1. If your roll number in this range, then you are in room number 1. Because each and every room able to accommodate 1024 student. So here how many rooms are there? Total 8 rooms are there. It was given in the question only. Total 8 pages are there. So total 8 pages are there. Each and every pages can accommodate this. So this is the range. Now you have to find the range, which range is available and which range is not available. 1024 in the first option, 1024 is available in page number 1. Now page number 1 is not available here. Page number 0, page number 2, page number 5 and page number 7 is available. And that's why option 1 will be not possible, because page number 1 is not available. Remaining thing you need to check. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is available in which range? 1, 2, 3, 4 is available in page number 1 again, because the range is 1024 to 2047. So 1, 2, 3, 4, that is also not available, because page number 1 is not available here in the list. That's why it will be also not done. In option 3, 1020, 1020 in which? That is page number 0. Page number 0 is available. Next one is 3012. 3012 in which range? 3012 in range 2. This is the range, right? So the page 2 is also available. 6120. 6120 in which range? That is 5. In this range it is available, means page number 5. This is also available. 8100 in which range? 8100 in the 7. That is page number 7. Page number 7 is also available. So only in this sequence there is no page fault. Other than that, all other sequence will be page fault will be there. Although it is a one question, you will tell me, ma'am, it is a time taking process. Yes, it is a time taking process, but from this question only you can get 5 different questions. Here they ask one question, here I ask you one question, but 5 question means 10 marks can be there from this concept, and this is a very important question. I hope it is clear to everyone. Yes. Now tell me what is the answer for this. Already I have started the poll for this question. The poll started for this question. You have to answer on the poll. Tell me the answer. Poll already started. You have to answer on the poll. Yes, I can see 43% students, only 37% students are given correct answer. Ma'am, how to select the range? Ma'am, one doubt, how that range? That is from the page size 1 KB, 1K word. Page size is given. Each and every page is accommodated 1024. 1K means 2 to the power 10, that is 1024. So each and every page can accommodate 1024. So 1024 means what? 0 to 1023. Now the next, then the next, like this way you have to do. So here most of you are giving wrong answer and I am showing you correct answer. Before that, let me stop the poll and let me tell you the answer then. And I will start the next poll also. The next poll I am starting here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the poll for the next question, and I am showing you the answer for this and why this is the answer. So here the answer is option 4, that is 4 GB. Why? All of you know the opposite one. If I am telling you 4 GB, then you can tell me that 2 to the power 2 multiply into 2 to the power 30, that is 2 to the power 32, 32 bit address. But when address bit is given, you are not able to do. So it is just opposite you have to do. 32 bit address is given means memory size will be 2 to the power n, that is 2 to the power 32. 2 to the power 32 means 2 to the power 2 multiply into 2 to the power 30, that is 4 GB. That's why your answer will be 4 GB. And most of you did the wrong answer here. What is this? For the next question, poll already started. Tell me what is the answer for this one. It is the joining, very important joining concept from database. The question is, try to answer. But the problem is there, although I am starting the poll, only 27, 29, 35 students are answering. Other students are not answering. That is not good. 63 live learners are here. I am starting poll for you. Try to be habituated, answer in the poll and try to answer. Check it, you are doing correct or not. Chat box, that's why I am not allowing, so that it should not be biased. You should not copy. And everyone definitely answer in the poll. Don't answer on the chat box. That is only ultimate test. Don't answer on the chat box, answer on the poll, everyone. Okay, let's see how many of you are doing correct. Let me stop the poll and I will start the next poll also, and then I will show you the answer. Yes, so here your answer is option 3. Option 3 is the correct answer. Only how many students did it correct? So here option 3 is the correct answer. How to do? Let's understand that. R1 is AB, and R2 is AC. In the A and B, you can see 1, 5 and 3, 7. These are the rows. And here 1, 7 and 4, 9. Now I am doing joining. At the time of joining, it is natural join. Natural join is always taking the common attribute. A is the common attribute here. So what are the common? 1 is common between them. So first it will take the common values and it will create the new table like this, ABC. The common value is 1. That's why this row it will generate like 5 and 7. After that there is no common. It is the natural join. After that we have to do full outer natural join. Full natural outer join means the common part, then remaining part from the left hand side table. Left hand side table, A value is 3 and B value is 7 and here null because nothing is present. Now I will take from the right hand side table. A value is 4 and C value is 9 and B value is not present, that's why null. This is your result. This is your answer. Now you can see here A, B, C, what are the present? 1, 5 null. Is it present? No, this is not present. 1 null 7, is that present here? No. 3 null 9, that is also not present. 4 7 null, is it present? No. 1 5 7, this is present. 3 7 null, this is present. 4 null 9, this is also present. That's why your answer will be E F G is present but not A B. That is your answer. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now tell me, your poll is already started, and in the poll you have to answer for this question. Consider the following direct graph. Here the graph is given. Which of the following is? Read the question and do it correctly. Yes, poll I am giving before question. Yeah, it is YouTube, it is not our app. In the app everything is possible, but YouTube I am trying this new feature so that at least you can enjoy. At least you can enjoy the new feature, and you should test yourself. Anyone will not answer on the chat box. No answer in the chat box. You have to answer on the poll. I am starting poll before the question so that you cannot see the answer. Otherwise you will be able to see the answer. Come to Unified Study app. There you will enjoy poll more good way, and you can see the leaderboard also. You can see the timer also. Yes, answers are coming. I can see that. Here answer is option D. Only 28% students are correct. Others all are doing mistake. Only 25% students are correct for this question. All others are doing mistake. And I will stop the poll and I will end the answer now. Now I will start the another question. Before that I will start the poll. Then I will explain this question also. 1, 2, this poll will start for the next question. Okay. Yes. So why this is the answer and how to do it, I am telling you. It is asking you which one not the order of topological sorting. Which one not topological sorting. Topological sorting, for that you have to do what are the how many in degree. In degree means incoming arrow. Count the incoming arrow. Here is no incoming arrow, that's why 0. Here one incoming arrow, that's why 1. Here also one incoming arrow. Here also one incoming arrow. Where also 1. Here also 1. Now from where I can start? I can start with A. If I am starting with A, because A is not depending on anyone. After A, B will be. So every option A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, that is correct. Now you have to think which one is not. So here remember, after B I can start E also, I can start C also, because whenever B is not there, after B E can be also there, C can be also there. So A, B, E is also correct. A, B, C is also correct. After A, B, C, A, B, E, A, B, E, A, B, C, these are all correct. But whenever I am taking C, means I will take C. After taking C, D is also possible, F is also possible. But the problem is that before F, before E, E will come, then only F can come. F cannot come before E, it's not possible, because F is dependent on E. First E will complete the task, then F will complete, because E to F, there is the arrow. E before that F cannot come, it is not possible. In this option you can see F before E, and that is never possible, and that's why it is not the correct answer. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now do this question, and your poll already started here. So on the running poll you have to answer for this question. This is also a joining question, where left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, natural join, all the concept you need to understand, and from the question you have to answer. Answer on the poll. Those who are watching, please like, share and subscribe. I hope you are able to understand the quality question I am providing. I am not going for quantity, but I am going for quality. These are very much expected question, trending topic question, as I told you. And from these questions you can get 10 marks question. That is most important. Each and every question will give you minimum to maximum 10. Do the answer. All are not answering. Till now I can see only 22 vote. 24 vote. 76 learners are there, but everyone is not answering on the poll. Everyone try and answer. Till now I got the answer from 35 students. 36. Answer on the poll, everyone. Try it. What others are doing? 39. Think. (41) vote. Okay, those who are able to do, they did it. Those who are not able to do, they are not marking. I am waiting for at least 50 vote. At least 50 students should mark. 46, 47, 40. Array, what happened? 47, 50 students can answer. I hope so. Yes, I am not getting. Others are not able to do. So only 36% students are correct here. Only 36% students are correct. All others are doing mistake. So see that why you are doing mistake and what is your problem. I will end the poll and I will start another poll also now only. And you can see what is your score and what you are doing. Right. So now I am giving the poll and it is for the next question, and I will explain this question also. Let me give you the poll, then I will give you the next question also. So here it is the answer. Why this is the answer? This question also you can understand with the example. Here R is a table. In this table there are two elements, A and B. S is the table. In the S there are two attributes, that is B and C. Okay. Now here primary key is given. S dot B is the primary key and R dot B is the foreign key. So this is the primary key here, and S dot B, this is actually the foreign key here. It is given to you. No, yes, R dot B is the primary key. This is primary key. And S dot B is the primary key, R dot B is the foreign key, opposite one. Here is the R tuple and this is the S tuple. S dot B is the primary key. This is primary key and R dot B is the foreign key. Means it is your main table. This is your main table. You can think like that. This is all students. That is like in YouTube class. All students, free student, paid students, all the students of Unified Study. This is this table. And this table is the paid students table. Out of all the students, those who are enrolled Unified Study. So out of Unified Study, these are the paid students, and you have a roll number also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I am taking example of 10 students. Out of these 10 students, some of the students are paid students. So maybe 2, 3, 4, 7, 9. These are the students, are the paid students here. Okay. Now what I am doing? So because this is the foreign key, and always remember, when primary key foreign key concept is there, this table will be the subset. Definitely R is the subset of S. Any new thing will be not possible. Out of this all students, only some of the students can be here. It will be definitely subset of the R, because it is the relation given to you. Now here what is going on? That I am doing R natural join. Query is B less than 5 from the S. So from the S I am taking those students, those who are less than 5. Less than 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the students will come. With that, it is doing the natural join with the R. R natural join with this. So natural join whenever I am doing, here I will get the common. Here 1 was not there, 2 is present, 3 is present, 4 is present. So ultimately after doing natural join, my answer will come 2, 3 and 4. That will be the answer after running this query. Because I took for less than 1, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of this there is 2, 3 and 4 is common. So only 2, 3 and 4 will come here, because I am doing natural join here. Now I have to check that out of these all the option, which one will be matched with the next one. So left outer join, this is LOJ, denote the left outer join, and RS null values all are given. Which of the following not equivalent to Q? If I am doing the first query, in the first query I will do first natural join. Natural join means all the common part. Common part means it will take all the S. All the S will come, because this is the sub part. Now after that I am doing less than 5. So less than 5 means only 2, 3, 4 will come. So here also only 2, 3, 4 is coming. It is same with this one. For the option B will also come same, because R left outer join with S. So I am doing left outer join. Left outer join means what? Left outer join means take the common plus the left hand side. That is left outer join. So common part will be this only, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. This is from the S table, whatever is there. R table. R table is the subset. It is also R table. R table is the subset. After that less than 5. Here also I will get 2, 3, 4. Same. But here what will be happen? I am doing left outer join with R. This is R left outer join. But here I am doing query with S less than 5. That will be the problem. Because when I am doing this one less than 5, I will get here 1, 2, 3 and 4. After that I am doing left outer join with R. So whatever common part it will be there. With that the extra part will also come. So here actually answer will come 2, 3, 4, 7, 9. All will come. Because you are doing left outer join with R completely. And here you are running query fast. And that's why it will not come same. But here what I am doing? First I am taking less than 5. So less than 5 means from the R it will come 2, 3, 4. Then I am doing left outer join with S. So only this part will come. Other than that anything will not come. So that's why it is also same. So here this type of question you have to understand with the concept. And if you are thinking about quantity, you will be not able to pass the exam, because question is now totally concept based question. You will not get direct question, shortcut way you will be not able to pass the exam. You have to understand the concept properly. If you understand concept, then only you will be able to pass the exam. Otherwise it will be very difficult for you. And this joining concept is very important, because from here you can get 10 marks question. I hope it is clear to everyone. Is that clear to everyone? I hope so. Yes. Okay. Then do the next one. What is the answer for this question? Your time starts now. And if they are doing wrong. I am telling this that the question, whatever poll is they are running, it is for the next question. When explanation is going on, if they are answering, that is, you all are adult learner, right? You know that everything. Already 10 poll done. Why they are answering? Why you are answering? I am telling you that whatever poll is running, that is for the next question. Wait for the next question. When explanation, I am giving you explanation. Why you are marking poll? You are not the kid, right? You are not at all kid. Why you are behaving like a kid? I am explaining question and you are marking poll. There is no meaning. You should judge yourself. You came here to judge yourself. It's not the game. Your exam, it is your future. Only 20 vote done. Do the question, do the solve it and answer. Solve properly and answer. Santhi, I explained the previous fourth option also. I hope it is clear now. (27), (29), (28) vote. Why others are not voting? Why you all are not voting? Try to vote and try to see you are doing correct or not. Judge yourself. Judge yourself. Given 5 memory portion, 100 KB, 500 KB, 200 KB and 300 KB and 600 KB. The best fit algorithm, place the process of this are all given. What is the size of internal fragmentation? I can see only 37 students vote. Others are not voting at all. And only out of that also 49% students are correct. Others did mistake. करने दो मिस्टेक, करो जितना मिस्टेक करना है करो. क्या करें अगर आपको मिस्टेक करना है तो करो. So here I am stopping this poll and I will start a poll for the next question. Please, before the getting next question, don't answer on the poll. Okay, you are not a kid. That is not possible to start the poll in a same screen. I am trying to do for you. Try to cooperate with yourself also. You should not mark the poll before getting the next question. It is, I will show you the next question. I will explain this question. Then only I will show you the next question. Before that, anyone don't vote. Now explanation is going on. So please listen to me. Then when next question will start, then you can answer for the next question. Here 100 KB, don't behave like a kid. 100 KB, 500 KB, 200 KB and 300 KB. These are the space available for you. Now for the best fit algorithm, best fit means which one is best suited for me, that place only I will allocate. 212, 100 KB I will be not able to do. 200 also, 500 is too large for me, so I will allocate here 202. Now this is the remaining space is the internal fragmentation. 300 minus 212. What will be the answer? Do the calculation. Here it is 8 and here it is what? Again you started voting. Are why you are playing? अच्छा खेलो खेलना है तो खेलो. 8 1 it is 2, 8. So 88. Now after that 417, where I will place? Here only I can place 417. This is the remaining. So 500 minus 417. What will be the answer for this? 500 minus 417 means 3. And here I will get 283. So here I am getting 83. Now next one 112. 112 where I can place? 112 here only I can place. So this is the internal fragmentation. So minus 112. What is that here? 1 and 8. 88. This is also 88. Now remaining 406. I did some mistake anywhere. Here I cannot allocate anywhere because 212 already I have allocated here, and 417 already I have allocated here. 112 also already I have allocated here. This one I cannot allocate. 426 anywhere I cannot allocate because 100 kb only left. Only 100 kb left. Any other one is not left here. Right. What is the size of the internal fragmentation? Here to 83. After that I will get here somewhere some mistake I am doing. Yeah, 600 was also present. 600 kb was there and I did not take it. बच्चों वाले काम आप लोग कर रहे हो और I am doing mistake here. Yes, that was I was doing mistake. It was also available somewhere. Please don't play, guys. Please don't play, because you are also distracting. I am also distracting. Other students are also distracting. If you don't want to learn, then you can go. 100 kb, 100 kb, 500 kb, 200 kb, 300 kb and 600 kb. That one I missed. 600 kb. These places are available. Now 212 I will place here. 212 I will place here. This is the internal fragmentation. Minus 212. What will be the answer? 417. 417 I will place here. So this is the internal fragmentation. Minus 417 you have to do. Then 122 I can place here. 112 I can place here. Minus 112 you have to do. After that 426 where I can place. 100 kb so I cannot use. Here I can do 426, right? So minus 426. These are coming. Now tell me what will be the total answer. Now you can tell me what will be the total answer, right? Do the addition and after that you will get the answer. But 100 kb, don't take the 100 kb because 100 kb not the internal fragmentation. Don't count it. Don't count it. This 100 kb not the internal fragmentation. It's not. So 600 minus 426, that is 174. Here you will get, here you will get, here you will get. Don't count this one. So you will add this total. Total is coming 174 plus 83 plus 88 plus 88 equals to 433. That is your answer. So you will get this answer. 100 kb here you did not use it. It is not used. So it is not at all internal fragmentation. Internal fragmentation means some of the part I used and remaining part is not used, that is actually wastage of space. All the wastage of space you need to calculate, and that will be your total answer. Got it? Yes. Clear? Chalo. Now do the next. Because of poll I was not able to see your chat. Now I hide the poll. Yeah, I missed the 600. Yes, now do the next. Now your poll already started. For the next question, do the answer. Which one of the following is true here? This is the next question. Do the answer for this, and your poll is already going on. It is easy question. Only 1 minute is sufficient to do the answer. Which of the following is true? User level threads are scheduled by kernel. When user level thread is blocked, all other threads of its entire process are not blocked. Context switching between user level thread is faster than the context switching between kernel level thread, and none of this above. What is the correct answer? Correct answer is option C. Yes, how many of you did the correct answer? I am showing you, and I am stopping the poll. You can see option C, only 50%, 51% student did the correct answer. Other did all the mistake. I will start the new poll, and that will be for your next question. You have to answer on the poll. I am starting the poll for the next question. You have to answer on the poll for the next question. Here, next question is this one. Do this. A non-vector interrupt. What is the address of interrupt service routine? I hope you are enjoying. Achha, tell me, poll you are enjoying or not? I should start the poll or not? Are you enjoying the poll? Yes. So here your answer is this one. In a non-vector interrupt, what is the address of the interrupt? That will be this one. And how many students did the correct? You can see here that yes, how many of you did correct here? I am ending the poll. Only 64% students. 64% students only did the correct answer. Other all did the mistake. I am starting poll for the next question. Obviously answer on the poll, everyone. Don't answer on the chat box, because it will be your real test. If you are checking chat box and you are answering, that is not the real test. Always whenever you will be confused with the non-vector, you will tell me, ma'am, non-vector there is where fixed location. Vector means where I have to go, that address is mentioned. Non-vector means here first it is going to a fixed memory, then it is checking that from where the interrupt came, then it can go. That is the fixed memory location it is going. Now here it is the question, and you can answer on the poll this question. What is the output for the C code? Try everyone. Till now all are not answering. Why, guys? Why you are not trying? Why you are not trying to judge yourself? You are able to do it or not? You should judge yourself, right? I can see till now only 32 votes are there. Only 32 votes. Out of all the students, only 34 students vote. And all others are watching. You are not at all, or not at all trying also. Okay, Your answer is 15 and only 55% students are correct for this answer. I will end the poll and I will start the new poll for the next question, and I will explain also what will be the answer for this. So your next poll, I am giving the next poll, it is for the next question. So please wait for the next question. I will explain this question and then you can get the next question. So here what is the answer? Here 15 is the answer because this is negation, not k, means not k value is 10, that is not true. Other than 0 anything is true. It will be not true means false, not false means not true, not false means true, true means 1. So that's why from here I will get 1. And this is or, means 10 plus 5, that is 15. So that's why your answer will be 1 and 15. That is the correct answer. Now do this question. These are the theoretical question and current trend question. Theoretical question is very important nowadays. Which of the following is true? Your time is already, your poll is already started and already 2 students already voted also. Before getting question why you are voting, I am telling again and again ki wait for the next question. When I am explaining, then why you are marking in the poll. Yeah, now I got already 9 vote. I got 9 vote already. 14. I need voting from everyone. I need answer from everyone. Judge yourself. It is the good opportunity where you can judge yourself in YouTube only. You don't want to come to app, you don't want to do regular classes, you don't want to attempt mock test. Free of cost, Unified Study is providing you full length mock test also. In Unified Study app, install Unified Study app, full length mock test of 150 question. Paper 150 question, paper 200 question is there. That is I provided. But out of most of the students, you are not attempting it. Free PYQs mock test, free of cost is available. But you don't have time to do. Now also we are giving poll. Now also you are not answering. So what you will do? How you will pass the exam? Here your answer is option 4 and only 41% students correct. This question only 41% students correct. So see that what you are doing here. I end the poll. I am starting the poll for the new questions. Next question also. And I will explain this question 3 and 4. Yeah, here your answer is A, B, C, all are correct, because regarding this time quantum round robin scheduling, definitely this all are correct. Now your next question is this one. Given below 2 statements, assertion and reason. Read the assertion reason. It is hiding behind me, so I am hiding myself so that you can read the question and answer on the poll. Everyone. Only 4 votes till now I got. Read it and do it correctly. I am waiting for your answer. Everyone answer on the poll. This is your live mock test. Enjoy the mock test, not in the chat box. 34 students till now answer. Assertion is giving that increasing number of page frame allocated to a process sometimes increase the page fault rate. Reason: some programs do not exhibit locality of reference. Yes, I got 47 students till now answer. And how many students are correct? Only 52%, 51% students are correct. Why you are doing mistake here? Let me end the poll and I will start the poll for the next question. Only 52% students are correct here. Why? You, whenever assertion reason question you are doing, ask yourself why. Am I getting the answer why? If you are getting the answer why from the reason, then only reason is correct, otherwise it is not correct. These are the two separate statements. It is not supporting statement of this one, and that's why it is not the correct explanation. Always ask yourself why. Assertion reason best way if you are asking yourself why. The increasing number of page fault, it is page fault. So this is a separate statement. You are not getting any supportive document in the reason, and that's why it is not the correct answer. Assertion reason is most popular, and most of the time answer is 70% of the time answer is both are true but not the correct explanation. So please be careful about that. Now do this one. Tell me what is the answer for this. Already I have started poll, and before question already you answer. Some viewers are there, those who are playing. Let them play. They will waste their time by playing only. That is their work. Yes, what is the answer for this question? I hope this question everyone will do correct. I get already 9 votes, 14. Twenty-nine students already voted. 33. Everyone try to think, try to answer what is going on here. In this program, this is a program given. In this program, just simply you are doing addition. After doing addition, what will be the answer? That is the question. And I get, now also you are getting scared to answer. That's why you are not answering. Those who are watching here, near about 100 students are there. Out of them, only 44 students are marking. This is the main problem. You are scared to answer. You are not getting confident to answer here also. Then exam hall, how we will get the confident? To get the confident, you need to practice. Try to ask yourself, try to mark the answer. Yes, this is the answer. I am feeling that this can be the answer. Still now why you are not answering? 50 votes already I got, and here 24 is the correct answer. 48% students did the correct answer. Why this is the answer I am telling you? Because it is given a hexadecimal number and octal number, nothing else. One is the hexadecimal number, another is the octal number. Hexadecimal number when you are converting, then you will get 16. An octal number when you are converting, then you will get 8. So 16 plus 8 will be 24. That's why 24 is the answer. That is the thing here going on, nothing else. Right? Yes. So next question is this one. Here one was octal number, another was hexadecimal. This is the hexadecimal 16. This is octal. You will convert 8, so that's why 16 plus 8. Be careful, this is the symbol of hexadecimal, that is 0x, OX, and O, this is not 0, this is O. O means octal. Now do the answer for this one. This is a software engineering question from the concept of DFD. Those who will watch the recording, you are missing poll. So 10 AM I will come live till your exam. I will try to come live at 10 AM in this time only. My daughter's school is also started now. I hope till Friday to 10 am I will be free. I hope so. So tomorrow also I will come live 10 am. Join 10 am live class to enjoy this poll feature. In recording the poll will not work. Yes, I can see 13 vote till now. Only 13 vote. 23. 27. Why you are not answering? The context diagram should depict the system as a single bubble. External entities should be identified clearly at the level of the DFD. Control information should not be represented into DFD. The data store can be connected either to another data store or the external entities. So here I got the answer, and this is your 0 level DFD, 1 level DFD and 2 level DFD. Very important. 0 level DFD means context in a single bubble. 1 level means all the important functionalities you are representing in level 1. Level 2 is the detailed DFD. Each and every functionality in detail we are explaining. That is the 2 level DFD, level 2 DFD. And answer will be option C. How many of you did the correct answer? You can see that here option 3 chosen by 25% students. Most of you choose the option 4 and they are wrong, because DFD is not focusing on external entities. External entity will be not focus of the DFD. DFD means data flow diagram. I am giving poll for the next question. DFD is data flow diagram. It is focusing on the internal data flow. It's not focusing on the external entities. That's why in the option where external entities are there, that is wrong. Okay, so option 1 and option 3 is the correct answer. Now do this. This is the next question. Poll I have already started. Select the correct order in the basic page replacement of a basic. Correct order of a basic page replacement. How the page replacement strategy going on? You need to do the sequence here. Till now I get only 7 votes. Read it and answer. 13. Try to answer everyone. Only watching will not give you, it will not help you to increase your score. You have to try. Try to mark. That is a confidence. It will build your confidence. Yes, I am doing correct. That's why I am giving poll. Till now some students are there. Those who are just watching, you are not marking poll. Why? Where? Poll mark करने में पैसा लगेगा क्या? It will not ask you money. It will give your confidence. You will boost your confidence. 43%, 43 students are correct. Remaining students are not marking. How we will pass? Okay. Observe karo, observe. So here answer is option 3 and only 46% students correct here. Why this is the answer and why option C is the correct answer? Because whenever you are starting, whenever page fault required, why? Because when there is no space, then only we will go for the page fault, right? If the page fault occur, then only I will think about that, yes, page fault is there or not. Otherwise, why I will go for it? There is no meaning to do. So that's why it will start with option C. Here you can see that. That's why it is starting with option C. When location desired frame is not found, the space is not there, then only I will try that, yes, to replace page replacement algorithm. So C after that A. With this option only you can do it. So C, A, then D, desired page brought into newly, then after that last one. So now next question is for you. Do this one. Suppose we are given the pointer first and last node. Read the question properly. This is a data structure question from linked list. Read and understand the question. First and last node of a singly linked list containing n elements, where each node contains pointer to the next node. Which of the following operation cannot be performed in time independent on the length of the linked list? Very carefully you need to understand the question. Cannot be performed in time independent means ultimately out of this option you need to find out that which one is actually order of n. Order of n means it is time dependent. Others all are time independent. And your answer is option 4 is the correct answer. Why the option 4 is correct answer? Because this is also order of n, because I will insert using the insert new element at the last. So using last pointer I can do it. New element in the first, that is also using first pointer I can do it. Delete the first element using first pointer I can do it. But you will say that using last pointer I can delete it, ma'am. Then why required? Using last pointer definitely you can delete it. There is not a problem. But the last pointer is pointing to null and you need this address to point to null. How we will fetch this node to point as a last pointer? Because now you have to do this one as a last pointer. You cannot do backtracking. This one is holding the address of null. This one will not hold the address of the previous one. That's why you need to traverse. After traversing only you can get this node. And it will be order of n. That's why this is your answer. I hope it is clear to everyone. And here, how many of you are correct? 49%, 34%, no, 34, 31% students are correct only for this question. Others all did mistake. So I am starting the poll for the next question here. You can answer on the poll. Your time starts now. Do this one. Understand properly and do it. If you are enjoying it, then as you are clicking on the poll, you should click on the like button, share button and subscribe also. Like, share, subscribe, this 3 click hit is very important. I hope you are enjoying it and it will show that yes, you are enjoying. And when you are clicking on subscribe means you will be a part of Unified Study family. Whatever class will be going on, you will get the notification. Click the notification bell also. And share with your friends to show the care that yes, you care about your friends and you care about Unified Study also. You want to grow, you will help the Unified Study family and you will help YouTube algorithm to understand that yes, this class is good class. So that so many students, those who are needy students, they need the classes, free classes, they will able to get this class. That is important. Yes. Here I can get the answer. So answer 65% students are correct. Illegal use of pointer. Definitely it is illegal use of pointer. Why it is illegal use of pointer? Because when you are using multiplication and addition is not allowed at all. Multiplication addition in pointer you can't do. In multiplication and division you can't do. Addition and subtraction means plus plus minus minus. When you are using array, it will increase the array index and it will decrease the array index, nothing else. So here these two operation anyhow you can't use. That's why it is your answer. Now do this question. This is also a very conceptual question from operating system. Your time already started. Do the answer. Only 20 vote I got. 23, 24. I am waiting for 50. Poll is going on. Shashi, don't answer in the chat box. You can answer on the poll. Poll is going on. You can answer on the poll. Reference bit 0, modified bit 0, reference bit 0, modified bit 1, reference bit 1, modified bit 0, reference bit 1, modified bit 1. And you need to match with the second one. So yes, I am getting the answer 46, 47, 48. Yes, 50 vote I already got it. So here I will stop the voting. And then I will explain also. Here why this is the answer, understand it. Why this is the answer. Here answer is this one because A4 B1 why? Reference bit 0 and modified bit 0 means it is not referenced by anyone and it is not modified by anyone. That's why it is the best place to replace. When it is referenced by someone means it can be referenced again, probably it can be used again. So when it is reference bit is 0, modified bit is reference bit is 1, modified bit is 0, probably it will be used soon again. And read to write out not, need to write out when this is 1 then. It can be used again but it is 0 means but probably it can be used again. This is this one. B will be with 4. C will be with 4. Reference bit is 0 means it is not referenced by anyone but modified bit is 1. Means you need to write it. Must write before the replacement. That's why B will be 1. Because it is modified by someone. It is now dirty bit. It is now dirty page. That's why you need to write out it. When both are 1, then you have to do this, that probably use again soon and need to write out again. I hope this is clear to everyone. Now I am starting the poll for the next question and you have to answer on the poll. I am showing the next question just now. Wait for the question, read the question and then answer on the poll. Okay. Chalo. So this is your question. Do the question. Here you can read the question. Maybe it's hiding behind me. I am hiding myself. Do this. I can see here 4 votes till now. Applied AI, strong AI, weak AI, cognitive AI. Okay, I will stop the poll. This is very easy question. Option 3 is the correct answer, because which one is weak AI, which one is strong AI, you all know. Weak AI means it is not able to solve the problem. That's why we are calling it weak AI. And strong AI means it is able to solve the problem. That is the reason we are calling it strong AI. Right? And application, where we are applying the for the specific one, that is called application. Now I am giving the poll for the next question, and must remember this, all the AI types of AI, very very important. Now do this question. Here your question is regression, KNN, clustering and decision tree. Match it. Don't think that ma'am question is incomplete. Ma'am, where is option 3 and option 4? Question is not at all incomplete. Question is complete only. This is the new pattern of the question. Question is complete and you need to match it properly. Understand question and do the answer. Everyone try to participate on the poll. It will increase your efficiency. It will not help me, it will help you. Only 20%, 20 students, 25 students are participating till now. Within time, your time is mandatory. Within time you have to answer. It's very easy, very simple. And I will end the poll within 2, 3, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I am going to end the poll just now. Your time end now. Here your answer only, I can see this 54 votes are there. I will start the poll for the next question. And why you are doing mistake, guys? These are easy question. Here regression is the supervised and classification is the unsupervised. Classification is always unsupervised and regression is always supervised. With that one only you can do the answer for this question. Regression, that is supervised. Clustering, classification, not clustering, that is unsupervised. So here A will be with 2 and C will be with 1. This is only one option. Don't be confused with KNN. KNN can be supervised, unsupervised, both, but with the regression and clustering you can take the answer. Right? Now do the question here. Arey yaar, before showing question only, why you are answering, I am not able to understand. Isolated I/O, memory mapped I/O, input output interface and asynchronous data transfer. Match it properly, answer it properly. Matching questions are always very good question because it is helping you to do the mind mapping and to recall so many concepts together. One concept, one chapter together or one related concept together, they are giving matching, where 2 to 3 unit together also they are merging. And matching question, if you are solving, then with less time you can learn more. And it is a current pattern of the question also. Nowadays you will see in question paper 20 to 25 matching question they are asking. So that's why doing matching, solving matching from the previous years is the must. And if you are solving matching, then automatically your lots of learning will be done. I can see till now only 32 students mark the poll, and I will end the class also. If you are not interested, why I will continue the class. So here option 3 is the correct answer. Why? Because before that I should end the poll, because you will see the question answer and after that you will mark the poll. There is no meaning, no cheating. I will not allow to do any cheating here. Here you can see isolated IO, memory mapped IO, interface IO. Isolated means separate. That is means separate. So separate instruction for input output memory communication. Memory mapped, they are connected with the control signal, same set of control signal for the input output and the memory connection, right? Input output interface is, that is peripheral devices. Asynchronous data transfer, that is not with the time. So transfer control signal to be transmitted between the communication unit. This is the thing. Okay. So that's why this is the answer. Yes, I will start the poll for the next question and you have to answer on the poll. I will start the poll. Do the answer here on the poll. Everyone try to take it seriously here. I think no YouTubers, no YouTube classes are giving you poll till now. I think Unify Study is the first one who is giving you poll in the live class. And after this, whenever this class will be available, then other YouTube will copy. They will start copying. Tell me the truth. Till now you got the live poll. This type of class anywhere? No. I will give it. Then after that all will copy and all will start doing that. So why you are not enjoying it? I am trying to give you some different way. Always I am trying to engage you in a different way. You have to take that opportunity, right? Answer on the poll, everyone. 70 students are there. I need answer from 70 students. You are watching. Why you are not marking on the poll? That is my question. Where is the scared? You are getting scared now. Then in exam hall, how we will mark? Now you are not able to mark. Then in exam hall, how you will mark? At least check it now. You are doing correct or not? Where is the problem? Why you are not marking in the poll? Which is not a basic approach to the problem of conflict resolution in a production system. Yeah, your time ends now. It is option 4 is the correct answer, and most of you are doing mistake. I will explain it and after that only I will give you the next poll. Most of you did the wrong answer. Why you are doing the wrong answer? Because here see that whenever you are reading question, read question properly. Not a basic approach of conflict resolution. Whenever there is a conflict between you and your partner, conflict means what? There is a conflict, argument is going on between you and your partner. Then think that what are the rule I can apply and what are the rule I cannot apply. Assign a preference based on the rule that matched. You are following some rule, you have some preference. This is my choice, this is your partner choice. So according to that preference, if you are trying to do the resolution, then maybe it will work. Assign the preference based on the object that match. It is the fighting going on between you and your brother or sister. I need this one, I need this one. You are fighting for a object, maybe remote. You are watching a TV, maybe you are fighting because of that remote, and now for that the fighting is going on. And maybe someone will get the remote, someone will go for mobile. If I am giving, okay, you watch TV, you watch mobile. So for the object based maybe preference, then we can resolve it, right? Now assigning the preference based on the action that match the rule would perform. It is a fighting going on between you and your in-law, mother-in-law. Your mother-in-law have some rule and you have some rules, and you are doing some action, your mother-in-law doing some action. So according to that, based on that rule, if you are doing the action, then based on the action match the rule, action will match that rule, then only that will be resolved. You will do the action as per the rule of your mother-in-law, then it will resolve. But here assign the preference based on the action that match the object. No, because object is never matching with the action. Action can match with the rule, object will not match. Object will match with the preference. So that's why these three are correct, but this is not correct. Okay, ठीक है? Yes. Now do this one. I am giving you poll. After that you can do the answer. Your time starts now for the next question. Achha, this question have some problem. Do this one. Do this one. This is also a matching. Maybe it's hiding. Right or wrong, that is so that option YouTube did not provide till now. Ontological engineering, taxonomy, hierarchy, interface and probability mode. 24 answer I got till now. Answer on the poll, everyone. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Your time stopped now. You can't answer now. Your time is stopped. End the poll. And I can see that how many of you did correct. Only 5% correct answer. Oh my god. Why only 5% correct answer? This one only, no, sorry, not only 55%, 5 not 55% correct answer. So option 4 is the correct answer. Probability mode. Probability means it is working with possibility. That is called probability, right? So possibility, D will be with 3. So here you can see D with 3, here you can see D with 3. Now if you are focusing here, then you will be confused. Rather than that, focus on ontological engineering. Ontological engineering is this. Represent the concept, event, time and physical concept. That is the ontological engineering. By doing this, you can do the answer. This is not your answer. So answer is this one. Yes. Now do this one and I will start the poll. Your time starts now. Your time starts now. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Your time end. This answer is definitely pattern matching. Pattern matching is the correct answer, because definitely when you are doing it, it is pattern matching. Now I am giving you the next questions. The next question is for you. Your time started, and read it and do it. Given below are two statements. Read properly, then answer. Assertion reason is the most popular question. I am going to end the poll. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Your time end now. So you are doing wrong answer here. Again, assertion and reason both are correct, but it is not the correct explanation. Both are two separate statements here. Why you are not thinking that both are separate statements? They are not. You are not getting answer of why. I give you the trick also, right? Ki you have to think it. Am I getting a answer for why? I am not getting answer for why. Then why you are doing it? So this is your next question, and your time starts now. Do this one. Yes, Shamul, Benny, I am fine. How are you? Match it. IPC, demand paging, banker's algorithm and PCB. Resource allocation, computational speed up, task control, virtual memory. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Your time end. Your answer, you are doing again mistake. PCB means process control block. That is actually task control block. D will be with 3. IPC, inter-process communication. Inter-process communication means it is focusing on computational speed up. Banker's algorithm is the resource allocation. C will be with 1. And with this only you can do the answer. This is your next question, and your time starts now. Read it, understand it, do it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Your time end. Right? Yes. So your answer will be definitely option 3. Because why? Why option 3? Because input then hidden layer, then output. In the hidden layer algorithm is going on. So input is not there, but hidden layer is present. So hidden layer, then algorithm, then output. That is the correct answer. Right. Now I am leaderboard. Leaderboard is there in the app. Leaderboard is not here. Here you can't do the leaderboard. Install Unify Study app and join the paid course. There you can see leaderboard, your performance, everything you will get there. Here it is not till now. Now do this. Select the correct order of the event. Anitha, I am hiding it. After that question I am showing, right? Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. How many of you did correct? See that and check it. Yes. So only 37% are correct, I think. Here actually I am showing you something so that you can understand the thing. This is very important. When you are booting the computer, after booting the computer, you will go to the power button. You will switch on the computer, then CPU execute the hard-coded jump instruction from the CPU. Then register jump to the predefined memory location to the ROM, and the BIOS means basic input output device. Then CPU start execution of BIOS directly through the ROM. Then BIOS perform the hardware, means it is okay if the BIOS is working. Then booting, if it is not working, if there is any failure, then booting will be halt. After that, if it is success, then BIOS will go to the RAM. First partition will execute the bootloader, then bootloader will initialize the second stage, and then after that it will be the OS kernel. So these are the stage: the system startup, then bootloader stage 1, then stage 2, then kernel, then init, then user process. That's why your answer will be, first it will go to the ROM to load the boot block, then it will go to the bootstrap loader disk, then it will go to the kernel. This is the steps, right? So that's why your answer is C, B and A. Okay, sometimes we close comment section to see the question poll is not available for us to answer. Don't close the poll. Don't you in the comment section only you can get the poll. Otherwise you can't get the poll. In the comment section only you can get the poll. Okay. So I am starting the next poll for you. Your time start will be just now. Your time starts now. Do the answer. The chat section only poll will be available, otherwise poll will be not available. Very easy question, simple question. Generate increasingly better solution to the process of the problem. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Increasingly better solution to genetic algorithm only giving you, right? Other than that, anyone is not giving you. It's not possible. So why you are doing mistake? Now I am starting the poll for the next questions. Your time starts now. Do the question, this one. This one will be your last question. Actually, I have to end the class because I did not prepare my lunch. I have to prepare the lunch also. And tomorrow we will meet again at 10 a.m. Tomorrow 10 a.m. I can meet again. This is also a expected 10 marks question. I started the class with the 10 marks question. I asked some question what are the 10 marks can be possible. That is your comprehension type question, or you are calling it jackpot question, whatever you call. These are the area from where 100% chances they are minimum to maximum 10. This is also area, deadlock area, unsafe state, safe sequence. Like this way you can get the question. So do the question and answer. Answer on the poll, everyone. I can see till now 33 votes are there. PM actually my daughter will come by 3:30. So I will be not invest time. 3 PM if I start, then by my daughter will come back by 3:30, 3:45. Then I have to end the class. That is the problem. Yeah, I can see most of you gave the correct answer. So I am ending the poll. Then I will explain the question also. But before that I will ask you the next question. Then I will go for the explanation. So I am starting the poll for the next question. It is the related question from this one only, like a comprehension type question. Then I will explain it. Yes, do the next question. This is related with that question only. Those who did not install till now Unified Study app from the Google Play Store, please install it and utilize the free mock test. So many free mock tests are available to you. Go to the free mock test section. There you can see the PYQs mock test, subject wise it's available. Full length mock test is available for paper 1, paper 2 together. Before going to exam, must attempt paper 1, paper 2 together for 180 minute 150 question. Because although it is pen and paper, although it is OMR sheet, but time is a factor, right? How we will balance paper 1 and paper 2 together, how we will manage the time in exam hall, how we will handle the question. For that to practice is important. So must practice it. Even also in Unified Study, go to the free course. There is a free course there. I have uploaded the question also for OMR sheet also. With the OMR sheet also practice it. Free of cost is available in Unified Study app. I will show you. So here most of you are giving a wrong answer, and I will tell you the answer also. Why this is the answer. Let me end the poll. and tell me what is your score in the chat box and in the comment section. Tell me what is your score till now, how many questions we did, out of total how many questions, those who counted the total question, and what is your score. Let me know in the comment. So here consider the current state of system P0, P1, these are given. How to do it? This is maximum need, this is current allocation, this is availability. So I have to do the future need. This is the first thing, future need. How to do? Maximum need minus current allocation. So R0, R1, R2. What is my future need? For P0, this is for P0, P1 and P2. P0 future need is 3 minus 1, 4 minus 1, that is 3. 1 minus 0, that is 1. Then 2 minus 2, that is 0. For P1, 1 minus 0, this is 1. 5 minus 3, this is 2. 1 minus 1, this is 0. P2, 1 minus 1, this is 0. 2 minus 0, 2. And 3 minus 2, that is 1. This is your future need. Okay. Now availability. This is available now. Now out of this availability, which request you can satisfy? Which one request you can satisfy? That is you have to check. So I need here three resources for R0 for P1. It is the 2 resources only available. This one I can't do. Here 1, 2, 0. See that 2, 2, 0 is available. So 1, 2, 0, it can be satisfied. This is possible. P2 cannot be because 0, 2, 1, 1 is not available. This one not. So if I am trying to satisfy P1, first P1 will be possible. After satisfying P1, P1 will release the resources whatever currently allocated. So it will be added 0, 3, 1. Current allocation will add with this 2, 5 and 1. Now 2, 5, 1 is available. So with this 2, 5, 1, now I can do 1, 2, 1, 0, 2, 1. So that's why now I can allocate, now I can do it for the P2. After that, when P2 is done, then P2 will release this one, that is 1, 0 and 2. So after that it is 3, 5 and 3 available. Now I can do P0. So what is that? It is system is safe. And what is the sequence? Question can ask that what is the safe sequence? Safe sequence will be P1, P2 and P0. This is your safe sequence. Remember it. From here you can expect 10 marks question, comprehension type question like this way. Now you can see here that what will be the system do on the request by P0 for 1 unit more of R1. P0 is taking 1 unit more. Till now currently it was allocated for P0 and availability was this. So I will add 1 unit more for R1. R0 not. I have to add 1 unit more for R1. For P0. So I will add. So here I will do the minus. So it is happening here. I am adding here, and from here allocation availability, now it is 2, 1 and 0. Future need, you can see that this is 3, 0, 0, 1, 2, 0 and 0, 2, 1. Now out of that, this is availability R0, R1 and R2. Any one of them you cannot satisfy. This one also not. Here this one also not, because here it's required 2. This is also not. Here it's required 1. That is also not. Any one of them you cannot satisfy the request, and that's why it will be in unsafe state. So it will enter into the unsafe state. That is the answer. I hope you enjoy the session. There are so many questions. I have a lots of collection of expected questions because I am doing analysis. Not only UGC NET PYQs, UGC NET, GATE, ISRO, SET previous year's question, PhD previous year's question. All that analysis, after that only I am preparing my expected question, and I am giving the mock test also. Those mock tests are available free of cost in Unify Study app. Install the Unified Study app just now. Just now install the Unified Study app and go to Unified Study app. In the app you can come to the free mock test. In the free mock test section, PYQs free mock test, free of cost is available. Subject wise, each and every subject wise you can attempt the mock test. Less time, when you have less time, then you can go for it. 20-minute time, 30-minute time, you can go for it. When you have more time, yes, you can attempt the full length mock test. You can come to the free mock test again and you can go to the free mock test section. Here you can see paper 1 and paper 2 combined mock test of 300 marks, 150 question. It is available. That is also free of cost. When you have to practice the Weimar sheet, where I can go? For Weimar sheet practice, you can come to the free course. In the free course, you can see that in the free PDF, the SET PYQs paper, AP SET and Maharashtra SET PYQs paper with the answer key I have uploaded. Here question paper and answer key both are available. You can open the question paper and answer key and you can download the sample Weimar sheet also. The sample Weimar sheet already I provided. And then you can practice, you can take the printout. And this free course is taken by my guru Somen sir. You can definitely watch it because here permutation combination, that is a very important class. Free of cost, my guru take the class. So you can watch it. After that, definitely your permutation combination area will be very strong. If you are not strong in this area, then you will do mistake everywhere. So utilize the app free of cost. And if you want to go for paid course, then computer science paid course is available. You can go to the details and there are so many contents available. Here 1 month option 999 rupees and 3 month for recorded version. Because our course is ending on 15th June. Live class I will end. I have started in 15th December. I will end on 15th June. Our live class is going to end, but if you want to access the material, if you want to access the recorded classes, the mock test available, mock test will be available. Live class till 15th June it is available. After that, recorded version. PDF will be available of all 10 unit. Complete course, it is a complete course, unit wise complete course, practice question, practice topic, mock test, PDF, everything available. If you want to go for it, 199 rupees only. And now Super 20 offer is going on. By applying Super 20 coupon, you can get 20% discount. After that, it will be 1499. And this option available for only for the request of so many students, those who want to watch recording. So 1499 you can access for 3 months. You will be able to complete the complete course. You will be able to access mock test, PDF, everything for the computer science. If you want to go for 1 month, then 799 rupees you can go for it. Here also you can download PDF, watch classes and mock test also. Full length PDF, full length mock test, unit wise mock test, live classes, PDF, everything available. And here I am taking live classes till 15 June, 5:30 AM and 6:30 PM. Those who are interested, definitely you can do it. Okay. Thank you everyone. What is your score? Let me know in the comment section that yes, this is my score. Out of this I got this marks. And share this video to all of your friends. Like, share, subscribe बहुत ज़रूरी है. Bye everyone. See you again in my next class.